session down in Fremantle Harbour. Just want to get out to the heads there and do a bit of fishing. It's cloudy day, it's drifting, it's a high tide. Still, I reckon it's still going to be pretty good. So without further ado, in about 5 minutes we'll get out to where we need to get out to. Anyway, let's do it. Right, so I just threw my sea anchor out here. It's a slight breeze, it's a southeasterly, and I'm going to try and drift over the sand and weed patches. And I am going for some King George. I haven't been here for a while. Very simple rig up, enough blah blah. Let's get some action going. I'm very excited, but a bit cold, my hands a bit numb. Doesn't matter, the warmth of a few King George whiting will warm these up. So I'm getting hit straight away. I'd say it's probably a a blowfish or butterfish. Yeah, little butterfish. Right. Oh, this has got some weight. What have I got here? No wonder. Yeah, I'm using lighter line for a bit more sport, but I've got some butterfish. This one's going off too. That one's got a bit more weight. Probably a bad idea using two rods. Oh, now this one's got a bit of weight as well. Could be some more butterfish. It's not the intended species. Oh no, this is the intended species. Yeah, man, lovely, lovely. This is what I wanted. KG. Lovely. I'm happy. You gotta hold on to these tight because they're slippery buggers, and I've lost a fair few more time because they just jump out. They're called kidney slappers because I like whack for you in the side. Happy days. Awesome. Okay. Oh, that's a butterfish. There's a lot more butterfish than last time here. There you go. Good old humble butterfish. These things here, it's not that good eating because strong, funny smell to it. What have I got here? Oh yeah. Oh, another KG. This one looks a bit small, this one. I'm going to measure this one up. Lovely. As I said, I just drifted over the sandbar here on the edge of the weed. This one was just on. Whoops. Yeah, I measured this way up. It's no big stonker one. Okay, so he's 34. He's definitely in the bucket. Lovely. Maybe. Oh, hang on. No, it's a red mullet. Now they are good fish. Good eating fish, these ones. So that's a red mullet, or commonly known as a goatfish, and that's a good size. Now in the Mediterranean and some other places, they're a delicacy, this fish. And I'll just show you why they call it a goatfish. Oh, let me snared on that one. You can see the whiskers. It's like a little bit of a goatee. So goatfish, lovely, good eating. Yeah, so the rod's moving around a bit. Doesn't look like it's too big. Oh yeah, I got him on the strike. What is he? Oh, okay. One of these wrasse fish. We'll throw this one back. Right, so this one's another wrasse fish. But I want this one here as well. Bigger ones are not bad. What we wanted. False alarm. There you go. Well, now this one's got a bit of weight. Hopefully it's not a KG. What have we got here? Two big butterfish. Two big butterfish. Bugger. Right, another red mullet. Yeah, and look at the colours on that too. And look at this flared up, those blue lines, fluorescent dots. Beautiful. Oh. Looks like I've got a... Oh, what's this? Oh. It's a monster from the deep. It's a cuttlefish. Oh man, really heavy. And he's not losing. There we go. Got him. What a monster. Look at that. Big one. Woo! What a specimen. Nasty things they are. Scary too. Oh, this has got some weight. Probably a butterfish. What is it? No, one of these grouse kind of fish. Alright. Woo! It looks like my engine won't start up. Possibly flooded it. Now Blake told me once how to do it. Bobby! Yeah. Nice meeting you, mate. Thanks for the advice.
I will see you on your videos.
Thanks, mate. Yeah. You're going to be on the movie next time.
Okay.
This bloke here gave me advice on how to deflood an engine. You drink beer?
No, that's all right, mate. No.
You alright?
No, I'm alright, thank you.
Okay. Alright, back in business.
Yeah, back in business. Watch the King George.
Yeah, King George, and maybe on the other side there. Yeah. Okay, mate. All the best. No worries, mate. Take it easy. What a drama. Flooding your engine out in the ocean is not a very nice feeling. Even though I'm so close in, I went up to some bloke who waved me down. We're talking around. He watches the show, and the engine just stopped. Yeah, it took me a good half an hour. Oh, actually no, about 20 minutes to get it sorted, and it really gets your heart racing because you don't hate engine problems. Anyway, without further ado, I came in a bit close because I was getting a bit quiet, and give it a shot. If it doesn't work out here, I might go around the other side and try for something else. Anyway, time for a beer. Cheers. Whoa. Okay, I've got something big here. He actually took the line, he's coming in towards me. Oh, man, that's a stonker. See that in the water. Ooh. Oh, he's a big boy. Big boy. There you go. There you go. There you go. Big boy. Lovely. Stonker. Now we're talking. That really took the monkey off the back after getting that engine flooded, waiting around for so long. Back in business. Woo! What have I got here? Little butterfish. Oh, what's this, a herring? Check this little bugger out. Oh, a herring. There you go, mate. Where'd you come from? Taking me a while, and this is definitely a KG. Just feels nice and heavy. Yeah, he is. Oh yeah. Oh, lovely. Now, there we go, mate. You're a beautiful specimen. Beautiful specimen there. Come to the surface, say hello. Oh, he's just gone. I'm going to lose this one. Into the net. Lovely, really happy. I had to move again because it's getting slow, but beautiful fish. Alright, there you go, kidney slapper. Lovely. Awesome. There you go, oh yeah, there you go. Just, if it's butterfish, they're very big. I prefer King George. That is intended species. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, not 2, 3, no wonder. The whole squad of them. Ah, what is it? Butterfish. Oh, okay, leather jacket. leather jacket. Huh. Now they're good eating, these fish. Leather jackets. There you go. These are good eating fish, and a whole school of them came right up to it. So a few of these fillets, pan fried, are absolutely delicious. Lovely. Right, so we've got another leather jacket. Hello, Mr. Leather Jacket. They've got a really rough skin, that's why I call them leather jacket. And when you clean them, they're so easy. You just got to slice along here and rip it off, and it's so easy to clean. It's really nice fish, very underrated. They also call them a triggerfish. They've got this little trigger up here. Whether it means anything, I don't know. So this leather jacket's actually quite fun. Now they've got small mouths and I've been chewing on my bait. There you go. And you really got to set the hook. You can't just let it sit there and pretend it's going to hook himself. Look at that. Lovely. Leather jacket fish. I think I'll throw this one back, a bit small. Yabby. Come on, one more kg and I'll be out of here. Mate, again a butterfish. Okay, foul hooked. If you want to get your kids introduced to fishing, just get them into the butterfish, because they actually are quite a good little fight. Like my nephew when he was a kid, he loved catching them. He hated going for calamari because it was too boring. But the minute we caught butterfish, he wouldn't want to move. Awesome, I was just doing up a squid jig and I had one of them follow it and he's right on the mark. Lovely. Yeah, lovely. I'm speechless. Speechless. Yeah, so it's that time of the day where we're going to clean our catch and just see what we actually caught. So look, nice leather jacket, another leather jacket. So I managed to get 4 King George, so that's pretty good. 2 goatfish, lovely they are, absolutely delightful to eat they are. And with the 1 herring, and we've got the big dinosaur of a cuttlefish. Big ugly beast, and that will go down really well. And another squid. Alright, so that's it. See you next time. I'm out of here.